Duxtop 8100 MC Portable Induction Cooktop Countertop Burner, and Stainless Steel Induction Cookware Set. If you are seeking a lightweight cooktop, look no further. This is by far the best Dux Portable Induction Cooktop. It will make a perfect addition to your kitchen or RV. Its digital control panel makes it very easy to use. You can rely on its built-in digital timer when cooking dishes with time requirements. The Duxtop 8100 MC Portable Induction Cooktop Countertop Burner and Stainless Steel Induction Cookware Set can be adjusted from a minute up to 170 minutes. There's no need for you to worry about accidentally burning your kitchen. This cooktop will automatically shut down within a minute if no cookware is detected. Cooking is made better with this cooktop because you can adjust its temperature from 140 to 460 degrees Fahrenheit. It's very energy efficient. It can detect the actual size of a cookware base and adjust automatically to make sure that not much energy is wasted. This product works well with several kinds of cookware made from cast iron to stainless steel. Cleaning should not be a problem either. You can simply wipe it with a damp cloth after cooling.